how to get 10x points in Block Blast. What we're gonna do is just load up the game here, and then we will enter the classic mode. Now from within the classic mode, what we are gonna do is click on the gear icon in the top right and then replay until you get some solid blocks like this. You don't want any weirdly shaped blocks. Now once you have some solid blocks, you will place them in the corners. So for example, do them as I'm doing them right here. Now what this is going to do, it's going to automatically try and fill out the rest of the slots here that you have. So as you can see, boom, and then I'm gonna place them at the bottom again, and then this one at the corner again. Now you can keep on doing that like this next to each other, and it will always try to fill them out for you. So as you can see, boom, and you can also fill out this slot right here that just popped up, and like that. So that's basically the whole thing. You just want to place them at the bottom, or sorry, place them where it is missing some blocks, and it's automatically gonna try and fill out the rest for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.